So right now I'm taking a look at the Ozeri salt and pepper grinders. They say that they're electric. They do come with batteries, which is always a plus in my book. And I was looking through the manual to see how to load these, and I don't think it's very self-explanatory. So I thought maybe we could just do this together. So here's the salt grinder, and I think it's worth noting that that part that you can see, that's the only part of this that has salt in it. The rest of this is all mechanism. So this is called the outer case, and all I did was just pull that straight out, and you can push it straight back in. So we're supposed to take it out of the outer case and put it so that the battery housing is at the top. It's worth noting that you can't set this on the bottom, so you will have to hold this. So the batteries, there's no little battery pictures, but oh, here we go. Plus is that end, so I'm just gonna put the batteries in there. It's really difficult to see. Oh, there we go. Okay. I guess it worked. Okay, so the batteries are in there, but in order to fill it full of salt, okay, stop. We have to take this little guy off. And there's the hole. So I have some salt ready to go here. And probably a funnel would be a good idea, but I'm just going to try to get enough in there to do a demo here. Oh, it really doesn't take very much, does it? Okay, so there's the salt. And it said something about, will you hush? It said turning off the automatic thing by pushing the button on the bottom, but I did that. It doesn't seem to be doing any good. So, anyway. Somehow this is supposed to go back in there. Oh, it has little clippies, so I guess it'll take a little bit of force. Maybe. Yeah, I don't see anything that explains this, so we're just going to figure it out. I'm guessing that these two little dudes need to touch those two little dudes. So that's what I'm going to do. But it sure came off faster than it's going back on. Ah, there we go. It just took a little extra effort. I was just kind of afraid I would break something. Okay, so then this goes back in the cover. Right. So the way you use this is you take off this top piece and you click the button on the bottom to put it back in automatic mode. And then you turn it over and it looks like it just keeps going until you turn it back. Because see, I have all this ground salt now. So that's kind of cool, isn't it? So I'm not going to do the pepper one. It works exactly the same. But that's the Ozeri salt grinder. Pepper one works just exactly the same, but I think the key there, make sure you push that button on the bottom before you go to put the batteries in. And then make sure you push it again, and that's what it'll make it work for you. Thanks for watching.